The Windows versus Mac OS debate has been around forever, and both operating systems offer pretty similar features. However, there are enough differences to make people pick one side over the other. It really depends on your priorities. Do you want a super user-friendly interface, or do you value more customization options? Are you focused on security, or do you care about how well your system plays with others? These are all key factors in deciding whether Windows or Mac OS is right for you. So why might Windows have the edge? Let's unpack what makes it stand out from the crowd. Hardware. When you compare Windows and Mac OS in terms of hardware, Windows comes out on top with its adaptability and customization. While Mac OS is limited to Apple's line of MacBook, iMac, Mac Mini, and Mac Pro, Windows runs on just about everything, from powerhouse workstations to affordable Raspberry Pi units. This wide compatibility means Windows can be found on most computing devices. StatCounter's April 2022 data shows Windows owning 74% of the market share, far exceeding Mac OS's 15%. This broad reach highlights how Windows meets a variety of needs and preferences worldwide. One of Windows's strong suits is its customization options. Unlike Apple devices, which offer limited room to tweak components like the CPU, GPU, memory, or storage, Windows lets you tailor your setup as you see fit. Its flexibility is perfect for tech fans who want to personalize their machines. In terms of affordability, Windows has an edge over Mac OS. Apple devices often come with a steep price tag, making them out of reach for some. But Windows offers budget-friendly options like the Microsoft Surface Go 2, which you can snag for under $500. This range lets you find a computer that suits your needs and budget. Picking the right Windows laptop can be a little tricky due to the numerous choices out there, but that's also its strength. Machines from different manufacturers offer a mix of performance and pricing options. Overall, Windows gives you a level of flexibility and affordability that Mac OS can't match. First-party apps face-off. Windows and Mac OS each bring their own lineup of first-party apps to the table, but Windows definitely has an edge when it comes to flexibility and compatibility. Out of the box, both operating systems provide you with the basics, like a web browser, file explorer, calendar, voice recorder, video editor, widgets, and cloud storage. However, when you compare the popular Office suites, Windows shines. On Mac OS, you've got Apple's iWork suite with Pages, Numbers, and Keynote, which are decent alternatives. But when you turn to Windows, you get the robust and universally beloved Microsoft Office suite, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These programs have set the standard for productivity and are preferred by the majority of users. Given Windows's widespread usage around the world, Microsoft Office naturally has a much larger user base, offering better collaboration and compatibility with colleagues, clients, and businesses. While iWork is free with every Mac, it doesn't quite match up to Office's powerful features and seamless integration with other tools and services. All things considered, Windows offers a stronger, more versatile suite of first-party apps that cater to a broader range of needs, making it the clear winner in this face-off. Third-party applications. Both Windows and Mac OS let you download third-party apps from their respective app stores, Microsoft Store and Mac App Store, or directly from the web. While both platforms offer this flexibility, Windows has a clear advantage when it comes to the range and ease of accessing third-party applications. Windows's vast popularity means there is an enormous ecosystem of third-party software available to download. From productivity tools to gaming and niche software, the selection is incredibly diverse and plentiful. This expansive range of apps provides users with the freedom to customize their experience and find the tools that best suit their needs. While the Mac App Store boasts a decent selection of apps, it doesn't quite measure up to the sheer volume available on Windows. Additionally, downloading apps directly from the web is straightforward on both platforms, but many developers still prioritize Windows due to its larger user base. Ultimately, the openness and broad availability of third-party apps make Windows the go-to platform for anyone who wants endless choices and easy access to the software that they need. Software selection and gaming. Windows and macOS both offer access to a wide array of software, but Windows undeniably takes the lead in terms of variety and availability. This is especially true for personal computer games, which are often designed primarily for Windows-based systems and only occasionally offer native support for Macs. While you can simulate a Windows environment on a Mac using tools like Parallels, it requires a considerable amount of effort and can be a hassle for regular use. It's better to consider the specific software that you use regularly and check whether it's compatible with your chosen operating system. If you rely heavily on third-party software, especially games, Windows is often the better choice. Updates: a mixed bag. When it comes to keeping your system up to date, Windows takes a more proactive approach with its frequent security updates. Microsoft's consistent stream of updates ensures your system stays protected against emerging threats, giving you peace of mind when it comes to security. These regular updates help fortify your system's defenses and address vulnerabilities quickly. Although it might seem like a hassle to update your system multiple times a month, this attention to security can significantly reduce risks and keep your data safe. While macOS updates are fewer and farther between, Windows' broader range of hardware compatibility means that Microsoft needs to be more vigilant in providing timely fixes. This constant vigilance helps Windows users maintain a more secure and stable environment. Additionally, Windows offers the flexibility to delay or customize updates based on your needs. This way, you can schedule updates when it's convenient for you, or prioritize essential patches without interrupting your workflow. Gaming. When it comes to gaming, Windows is the undisputed champion. Serious gaming on a Mac is limited by the lack of game selection and performance compared to the Windows experience. While Apple Arcade and a version of the Steam Store exist on macOS, the variety and depth of gaming content doesn't come close to what's available on Windows. Windows excels in gaming not only because of its vast library of games from other platforms, but also due to the ability to customize hardware like graphics cards and CPUs. This allows gamers to optimize their setups for the best performance, something Macs can't compete with. With the Xbox software installed on a Windows PC, you can play games from the Microsoft Store and the Xbox Store. Microsoft's Xbox Game Pass subscription service offers hundreds of games to download and stream, including titles from Microsoft's first-party studios and third-party publishers. Additionally, Steam and GOG offer extensive libraries of games for PC players, while the emulation scene on Windows is thriving. This combination of resources makes Windows the go-to platform for gamers of all levels, from casual to professional. All in all, if gaming is a priority, Windows offers an unparalleled experience with its vast selection, hardware flexibility, and access to top-tier gaming services. Customization options. Individual needs. In terms of hardware, Windows supports a wide variety of components, letting you build or upgrade your own PC. This means you can choose your motherboard, CPU, GPU, memory, and storage to create a custom setup, whether you're looking for a high-performance gaming rig, a workstation for content creation, or an energy-efficient desktop. The operating system also excels in supporting multi-monitor setups, providing a versatile workspace for productivity and efficiency. On the software side, Windows provides numerous opportunities to personalize your user interface, such as changing themes, colors, and wallpapers, and adjusting icon sizes and positions. You can also tweak system settings, manage startup programs, and customize keyboard shortcuts and mouse functions to optimize your workflow. The OS allows you to set default programs for different file types, supports a diverse range of applications, and gives you control over how and when system updates are installed. This level of flexibility lets you create a computing experience that's truly tailored to your preferences. While Apple computers are fantastic for creative professionals and those seeking seamless integration with other Apple products, Windows stands out as the go-to choice for high-end gaming and versatility. Windows' massive support from game developers, larger adoption rate, and wide range of hardware options make it the better all-around platform for most users. Sure, it might take a little more time to navigate, but the ability to customize your setup and dive into a world of choices is hard to beat. So like and subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest tech insights, tips, and tricks for both Windows and Mac OS.